Hey, to export all of your phone contacts on the POCO M6 Pro, first you will have to open the contacts. So it appears just right here. Accept all of these permissions that will pop and go to the fix and manage. Then go into the export to file. From here we can pick the destination. So when you click on the left upper corner, you can actually adjust if you want to put this file into your downloads, maybe into the other folder on your phone. So when you select POCO M6 Pro, for example, you can choose the notifications folder, movies folder, or simply create the new and put it wherever you want. But when you go back, you can actually do this straight into your Google Drive. So you can also do this. And when you click here, you can actually rename the contacts, but you have to leave this .vcf phrase. And if I select any folder on my Google Drive, I can click Save, and now I will successfully export all contacts. As you can see, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.